This Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty property video is presented by Coldwell Banker. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a split bedroom floor plan and a huge kitchen that's been totally renovated and includes all the appliances. Newer laminate floors throughout. Roof is only 4 years old. Large deck with privacy fence. Huge yard with 2 storage buildings, and plenty of space to add a garage/shop and still park all your toys. The Pine Grove Water District supplies the domestic water at only $45 per month with unlimited use. For more information, review the details below or contact Coldwell Banker at 541-884-1343.